Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use lion's mane, easy method. Start by checking your mushroom for firmness and no mold, then clean gently with a dry brush. Slice into even pieces for even cooking or infusion. I'll guide you through making a quick tea, a simple sauté, and an easy tincture so you can pick your favorite routine for steady daily use and gentle flavor. Clean lion's mane using a soft brush and trim any tough parts, keeping the structure intact. Pat the pieces dry to avoid soggy cooking and slice uniformly for predictable results. Use low to medium heat when sautéing to retain texture and beneficial compounds, and add a little oil or butter for flavor and absorption. These small steps improve taste and preserve the mushroom's delicate benefits for daily use. For a quick infusion, steep sliced lion's mane in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes and sip slowly. For food, sauté small slices in butter or oil for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and slightly crisp at the edges. To store benefits long-term, create a tincture by steeping chopped mushroom in alcohol for several weeks, then strain and dose a few drops into tea or water when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.